हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, हाउ आर यू। सो हमने इन प्रीवियस लेक्चर वी स्टडीड अबाउट पैराफ्रीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स. So today the first I'm getting you revise first thing. First we discuss about the introductive part and then graphical method and algebraic method. In algebraic method, first part was substitution method, second part was elimination method, and the last part of algebraic is cross multiplication method. In this, no need to mug up formula. I will tell you the procedure. Okay, it's a very easy method to solve the question. Once you look at here, suppose this is the question and we have to take equation in this form, means equal to 0 we will make both the equation, and then afterwards what is the variable x, y, and then constant x upon y upon and constant, for constant 1 we'll take 1. Now exactly what is the method I'm telling you. Afterwards you will get the formula finally. Suppose we are calculating for x, then you hide x and rest coefficients only you multiply, cross multiply, means rest coefficient you write b1, b2, c1, c2. Okay, and now for y and the coefficient rest, first this will come c1, c2, and then a1, a2. It means first for when we are calculating for x, then you hide x, then rest two coefficients you write as usual, and for y, but first we will write this and then afterwards again we will come to rotate. Now for this, these two, and finally I will tell you the tricky approach also. So how to remember this formula? Now finally cross multiply, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y upon c1 a2 minus a1 c2 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Finally this is the formula, but again I am telling you no need to mug up this formula. I will tell you the procedure again, and one tricky approach also I will tell you. So in this is the one method which we are following, and why we are saying this cross multiplication. Here we are doing cross multiply, here we are doing cross multiply, and in between the cross multiplication we are putting minus sign. But first always this diagonal will multiply and then minus this one. Now this is the method, this is the formula, but we will not use formula and we will not write, we will not show in the question, in the solution formula. Directly we will start to solve the question. First you note down this up to here. Two x plus y is equal to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. So what I told you about this method, first we will write in standard form. What is the standard form? 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Second, 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Afterwards, directly we will start from here. X upon, because variables are x and y, is equal to y upon and is equal to 1 upon. See now what I told you, whenever we are calculating for x we will hide the x. Okay, you remember on this number. This is one tricky approach to remember this method, but no need to show in answer sheet, no need to show in exam answer sheet in your class notebook. You can use as a rough part. So what is the meaning of this 2 3 3 1 1 2? This I am telling you. 2 3 means this coefficient of second column, this coefficient like 1 2. 3 means coefficient of this column. These are the 1 2 3, these are columns. Apart from this You leave the variables rest. I'm giving you roughly 1, 2 and 3. Now you see guys, it will be easy for you to solve. First of all, for x we know the number is 23. Then 2 and 3 one column we will write 1, 2 and 3 one column minus 5 and minus 8. For y 3 and 3 1. So 3 is minus 5 and minus 8. Always they will match here. You see. And 1 is 2 and 3. And next 1 2. 1 is 2 and 3. And 2 is 1 and 2. They will match inside one part, and the last corner part will also match. And equating sign is there in between. I'm writing a little bit bigger. Now cross multiply. So already I told you, first we will multiply this diagonal. Now minus 8 and then minus sign, this formula sign, and now multiply minus 10. Next y upon minus 15 minus 16 is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Now here the value is minus plus 10, 2 is coming. Plus 16 and minus 15, y is 1. 1 upon 1. Now what we will do? Comparison. We will do comparison here. We will come on comparing this, we will compare to this, and this one also will compare to the last. So on comparing, x upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 1. So x is equal to 2. X value came 2. And y upon 1 is equal to 1 upon 1. Y value came 1. So the answers are x value is 2 and y value is 1. So this is the solution by using cross multiplication method. This is the method how we will use. What are the steps? Here we not used that formula. So directly you can solve by the question, but this part you keep in your mind, okay? Or the way also you can keep in your mind, but don't write this part in your answer sheet. So note down this. Now one more example on the cross multiplication method, and then afterwards you will solve the question. First you will write in the standard form in solution. 8x plus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0, and another one 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now there is in standard form. Now the rule we know. Variables are x and y. Suppose variables are p and q, then we will write p and q and 1. X, y, this is the formatting of the question. 1. Now for 1, what I told you, this number you keep in your mind. Okay, 23 means second column and third column. So the second column is 5 and 2. Only coefficient minus 9 and minus 4. 31, 3 and 1. The third column, without looking also you can write this part, because same part will come. 3 and 1. 1 is 8 and 3. 8 and 3, this column. Only coefficients you will write. Now for 12, 8 and 3, and the 2 is 5 and 2. Now the cross multiplication, first we will multiply this diagonal. Okay, this 5 4 ja minus 20, and this minus sign is of formula's minus sign. Now according to this is minus 18 is coming, is equal to y is equal to now minus 27, formula's minus 32, 8 4 ja 32 is equal to 1 upon 16 minus 15. It is not necessary always here 1 will come. Any number can also come, is any other than 1. So it's by default in our both the examples 1 came, but it can different also. Now x upon plus 18 minus 20 minus 2 is equal to y upon plus 32 and minus then 5 is equal to 1 upon 1. Now on comparing, we'll compare first and last. Always we'll compare to the last. 1 upon 1. Now x value came minus 2. Then again we'll compare to the y also to the last. So y value came 5. This is the answer. X and y value came, and we are solving equation. What it means of this? We are calculating for x and y. Whenever we are solving quadratic equation, that time also we are solving for the variable unknowns. And here also two unknowns are there, x and y. We are calculating for those two unknowns. So you note down and do more and more questions on this cross multiplication method. I am telling you this method is very easy. But most popular, most of the students using elimination method. But this is also very easy method to solve the question. Whenever in exam question is asking with the method name, that time you have to apply that method only, otherwise your solution will be considered wrong.